This is Dr. Pavithra, dermatologist and cosmetologist, managing director of Mantras Advanced Aesthetic Clinic here. The clinic is located in Jayanagar 3rd block, Bangalore. Basically, when a patient comes with the thin hair, we need to look out for the causes. It can be a telogen effluem, which is caused by stress or a recent history of typhoid or post-surgery or an improper diet. Or it can be an androgenic alopecia, which runs in the family, which is hormonal dependent. Once ruling out the causes, yes, we can treat the thin hairs first with the oral supplementation if there are any vitamin deficiencies. Along with that, PRP for the hairs or laser helmet or the mesotherapy for the hairs will definitely thicken the thinned out hairs.